Yo, what's up everyone, it's Digi Tutorials. Today we're breaking down filing your income tax return in Canada. We'll simplify the process, step by step, starting with the basics, and moving on to deductions and tax credits. We'll explore how to claim these deductions and credits, ensuring you're not leaving any hard-earned dollars on the table. Finally, we'll demystify the calculation process and help you determine the ultimate outcome of your tax return. So, grab your coffee, get comfy, and let's dive right in. Alright, let's kick things off with the first section of your tax return: identification and other information. You'll need to provide some basic information like your full name, social insurance number, SIN, date of birth, and contact details. Double-check that all the information you enter here is accurate to avoid any processing delays or issues with your return later on. This information allows the CRA to properly assess your eligibility for various benefits and credits you might be entitled to. Filing your taxes accurately and honestly is crucial. So, take your time, fill out this section carefully, and let's move on to the next step. Welcome to Chapter 2, where we tackle the heart of your tax return: reporting your total income. This section is all about disclosing all the income you earned from various sources during the tax year. Make sure you have all these important documents handy, like your T4, T4A, or T5 slips. These slips act as proof of your income and the taxes already withheld. The CRA has sophisticated systems in place to cross-reference the information you provide with the slips they receive from other sources. So be honest, be thorough, and let's move on to the next step. Alright folks, we've arrived at Chapter 3, where things start to get exciting. This is where we explore the wonderful world of deductions. Deductions can reduce your total income, and therefore, the amount of tax you owe. We're talking about deductions for work expenses, moving expenses, childcare expenses, and many more. These deductions help account for the costs you incur to earn your income, ensuring you're only taxed on your net earnings. So, grab your tax forms, explore the list of eligible deductions, and start chipping away at that taxable income. Chapter 4. Claim other deductions. We've already covered some common deductions in the previous chapter, but now it's time to uncover those hidden gems that can further reduce your net income. This section focuses on deductions that are a little more specific, such as contributions to your registered retirement savings plan, union or professional dues, and certain carrying charges on investment loans. Every dollar you can deduct from your net income is a dollar that's not subject to taxation. So take your time, explore all the available options, and don't hesitate to consult a tax professional if you have any questions or need assistance navigating this section. Chapter 5. Calculate the federal tax. Get ready for Chapter 5, where we tackle the numbers and calculate the federal tax you owe. Canada has a progressive tax system, meaning the more you earn, the higher your tax rate. The federal government publishes a tax bracket table outlining the different income ranges and their corresponding tax rates. Once you know your tax rate, you can calculate your federal tax by multiplying your taxable income by the applicable rate. But for now, pat yourself on the back for making it this far. Chapter 6. Refund or balance owing. Welcome to the final chapter, Chapter 6, where we determine the ultimate outcome of your tax return. Will you be getting a refund or facing a balance owing? To figure this out, we need to compare your total payable taxes with any tax credits you're eligible for. These credits directly reduce the amount of tax you owe, potentially leading to a refund if they exceed your total tax payable. If your total credits are less than your total payable, you'll have a balance owing. The key is to file your return on time, even if you can't pay the full amount immediately, to avoid any late filing penalties. Outro. Congratulations, Taxmaster. There you have it, folks. You've made it to the end of our Canadian tax return journey. We've covered a lot of ground, from understanding the basics of income tax to navigating the intricacies of deductions, credits, and calculations. By following this step-by-step guide and staying organized, you can conquer your tax return like a pro. Set aside some dedicated time, gather all your necessary documents, and work through your return methodically. And hey, if you're ever unsure about something or need clarification, don't hesitate to seek professional advice from a certified tax preparer. So, go forth, file those taxes, and keep crushing it.